Want to check your iCloud messages on iPhone? Here's how to make sure they're synced and visible. First, open Settings. Tap your name at the very top. Now, tap iCloud. Scroll down and find Messages. Tap on it. Turn on Use on this iPhone. This allows your messages to sync with iCloud. If it's already turned on, your messages are already syncing. Wait a few moments for the sync to complete. Now, open the Messages app. You should now see all synced conversations from iCloud. Important: you must be signed in with the same Apple ID on all devices to see your iCloud messages. And that's it. That's how you check and enable iCloud messages on iPhone. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tutorials.